Stop wasting time searching for games. Here is how to log in to NFL Sunday Ticket on YouTube in just a few steps. First, determine how you signed up. You either have the YouTube TV bundle or the standalone primetime channel. The login process is slightly different for each, but both rely on your Google account. For the bundle, head to tv.youtube.com. Sign in with your Google account and your games will be right there in the Home or Live tab. Just search for NFL to get started. If you bought it standalone, go to the main youtube.com site. Log in, then scroll to Movies and TV in the sidebar to find the NFL channel. Your badge will confirm your access. Using a smart TV, you'll likely need to go to youtube.com/activate on your phone or computer and enter the code shown on your TV screen to link your account. Once you're in, look for multi-view to watch up to 4 games at once. Keep in mind, this feature is for TVs and streaming sticks. It is generally restricted on mobile and web. If you don't see your games, double check that you're logged into the correct Google account. Account mismatch is the most common reason for missing subscriptions. Also, make sure location services are enabled. Sunday Ticket needs to verify your area to confirm you are viewing out-of-market games as intended. If you're still stuck, call the official support line at 8333892054. Remember, these steps apply to your own account and your own device or app only. Avoid unofficial third-party apps. Accessing your games is that simple. Subscribe to One Click Guides for more utility-focused tech tips. I'll see you at kickoff.